welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to share with you guys my acne story. Gross, of course not. Everyone faces this situation and I understand if it bothers you because it does me too. So once upon a time, just kidding. Long story short, my acne problem started during my puberty years and since then I am suffering. I literally tried so many things, have consulted so many doctors. Anything helped? Not really. But now I finally found something that I really think is helping me. You wanna know what it is? I will, absolutely free. You just have to do two things. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that's it. Absolutely free. Now on to the secret. I have a very oily skin and this isn't a secret, I'm just mentioning it, and I'm sure I have already mentioned it in my previous videos, but I'm again telling you this. And I have been using this homemade spray slash toner slash whatever you want to call it, but this works really good. I apply it in morning after washing my face and during night again after cleaning my face. And now I am going to tell you how you can make this. So let's go. I made this using neem powder. You can also boil neem leaves, and we all know how beneficial neem is. It's antibacterial, antifungal and absolutely good for oily skin and acne. All you have to do is boil neem leaves or neem powder as I did in water and let it cool down for a few minutes and pour it in the bottle. That's it. And now all you have to do is just spray it. And that's it. No need to wash it off. It really is working for my skin, but as we all know, everybody has different skin type, some different problems, so it may not work for you, but there's only one way to know that. So do try it and let me know in the comment sections below about it. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I really hope it will work for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching and I will see you next time.